Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. How old are you today? What the heck was that? Kind of a continuation, I guess, for the Ford Ranger and those switchback bulbs. We got another package that came in today. So if you want to see where this goes and what it does, keep watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. So here you go. This is the part number that you need. Yes, it is made in China. Nowadays, what isn't? So anyways, we'll take this out of the package. Very easy way to find out where the flasher is. It's either going to be under the hood or underneath the dash. And for this vehicle, put the key in the ignition. Put the vehicle to on. Preferably wait till the chime goes out. And then turn the directional on. And you can hear where the sound is coming from. And the sound is coming from somewhere under the dash. And I'm actually touching it right now. So right here, this, inside here, is the flasher. So all we have to do is pull this flasher module out of here. And I'll show you how easy it is to go ahead and get that pulled out. Just another very simple thing from What's Up Guy Garage. Is obviously what you'll have to do is you'll need to zippy tie the new module or the new flasher unit back up there, because what's up there is obviously designed a specific way. I'm assuming the way that little extended, cup piece is, it's either to protect the wiring or it's kind of to maybe accentuate the sound of the little relay opening and closing, and that's where you get the click from. So we're going to install this LED flasher module. Yeah, I'll just show you how it's done. So here's where that module is, that little flasher. And you just reach in, grab it, and kind of pull it out of its little Christmas tree little thing there. And then you can see it's got a little connector right there. And you're just going to push in on that and pop it out. So it's got like a little specific alignment of pins. And I am noticing this one does have an extra pin, but it doesn't look like it goes anywhere. Yeah. So that other pin must be like some kind of a guide or something. I don't know. Well, either way, it's not going to matter. What's funny is if you look at this, it looks like it has 6 pins, but in reality, it's just 5. So you can see in there. Come on. See in there? See how it's got like 5 metal things that look like pins? There's got one small one there, but it doesn't, looks like it doesn't do anything. So I'm just going to plug this new module in, lining up, how it's aligned, just like that. And we'll verify right now by putting the key back in the ignition, turning it to on, and then I'm actually going to listen for it. Listen to that. Beautiful. No more hyper flash. So let's go check it out. Nice. So now the hyper flash is gone. So this was just a, I guess kind of like a part 2 maybe, update, because I never talked about, or I talked about installing that flasher module, but I didn't have one. I just ordered one up. Again, like I said, I'd leave the link in the description, but Amazon is being, kind of a pain in the, yeah, but whatever. So I'm not interested in making Amazon money if they're not going to throw me a couple pennies, because that's literally all it would be, is a couple pennies. But anyway, it's just very easy to look up a flasher module. Just Google flasher module for whatever vehicle you're working on, and you might even find a video like this one right here that gives you an idea of where it's located and what it does and maybe how much it costs. So this flasher module, I think normal price is like 10 bucks. I got it for $8.97 or something. Saved a couple bucks, or a buck and change. But anyways, so if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up, bell notification. Again, like I've said before in the past, bell notification just alerts you when I have a new video posted, and you can watch it if you like it. So subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Very much appreciated. Thanks for watching this clicker episode or flasher module episode of What's Up Guy Garage. So now all we got to do is just take a zippy tie and tie this bad boy up there. Or actually, you know what? I might actually be able to shove this right on that piece of metal that this came off of. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it even accentuates the sound. You hear that? All right, here, I'm going to switch it around. So listen, can you hear the difference? I know I can. So literally just attaching it to that metal plate accentuated the sound. See, I was thinking like the way this was designed, because of how this little plastic piece was, I was thinking maybe this little plastic piece had something to do with like amplifying the sound in a way, but it looks like what it does is it kind of just houses the connector and gives it a way to clip onto it. But you just use that connection. I mean, the thing isn't going to pop out. I mean, this is a two-wheel drive Ford Ranger. I mean, unless you're taking this thing in the power lines, for that 5-pin relay to pop out of its switch or out of its connector, it's not going to happen. So, yeah, nice. So you call that as a bonus. Oh, yeah. Don't throw these away. Throw it right back in the package. That way you still have the part number. And then put it in a parts bin that you might have, or a box or something, and label it Flasher Relays. That way, for some reason, if you ever need to replace just a regular incandescent style Flasher relay, you still got it. You didn't toss it. There's nothing wrong with it.